The 2026 one with premium features. Its advanced tech and elegant lines set a new standard.
Forget everything you think you know about the compact SUV segment, because Mazda just blew the doors off the hinges. This isn't just an update, it's a declaration of war on the luxury establishment. And frankly, the competition should be absolutely terrified. We're standing on the precipice of a new era for Mazda, and the 2026 CX-5 is the battering ram leading the charge into premium territory. For years, Mazda has teased us with its Mazda premium aspirations. And while models like the CX-90 proved they could build a world-class luxury vehicle, the real test was always going to be how that ethos filtered down to their most critical, high-volume model. Well, the wait is over, and the results are, frankly, staggering. You're looking at what is destined to become the new benchmark, a vehicle that doesn't just rival the RAV4s and CR-Vs of the world, but legitimately eyes vehicles costing $15,000 to $20,000 more. The sophisticated classic European influence is unmistakable here, yet it retains that distinct Mazda identity. Look at this striking deep emerald green finish, a color that seems perfectly at home against this backdrop of classical architecture and marble floors. The way the light plays across these complex body lines, contrasting sharply with the blacked-out A-pillars and mirror caps, shows a level of design maturity that is rare in this class. But the true evolution is under the metal. This CX-5 rides on a completely new architecture, one designed from the ground up to support advanced electrified powertrains while enhancing Mazda's signature driving dynamics. We're talking about a significant shift toward modularity and efficiency, allowing Mazda to iterate quickly and offer a diverse range of power options that will define the brand for the next decade. Now, before we get to the performance specs, which are jaw-dropping by the way, we must talk about the interior. This is where the 2026 CX-5 utterly decimates its rivals. When you open this door, you aren't just looking at a cabin. You're stepping into an experience that redefines mainstream automotive luxury. The quilted tan leather seats you see here offer a level of artistry and craftsmanship that, until now, was exclusively the domain of high-end luxury brands. The diamond stitching isn't just for show. The supportive ergonomics are world-class, designed for fatigue-free long-distance cruising. Mazda has masterfully blended tactile materials with futuristic tech. Every surface your hand touches feels intentional and premium, a deliberate choice that elevates the entire environment. They have resisted the urge to bury everything in screens. Instead, you get this stunning minimalist dashboard, featuring an elegant integration of displays, including a comprehensive head-up display that projects augmented reality navigation cues directly onto the windshield. The primary information screen is curved and layered, appearing to float within the dash structure, while essential functions remain easily accessible through physical weighted controls that provide satisfying haptic feedback. This is tech that serves the driver, not tech for tech's sake, and it's a crucial distinction. The steering wheel, wrapped in the finest leather, features touch-sensitive illuminated controls that only become active when needed, keeping the wheel spokes clean and elegant. And wait until you experience the symmetry of the cabin design, which emphasizes a driver-centric environment unlike anything else in this segment. So, what about the powertrains? Mazda is going big on electrification here, but in a way that remains true to their Jinba Itai, driver and horse as one philosophy. Forget lackluster driving experiences. The headline powertrain is an all-new plug-in hybrid system, but not the kind focused solely on efficiency. This system, pairing a highly efficient four-cylinder engine with a powerful electric motor and a substantial battery, is tuned for performance. We're talking about an expected combined output exceeding 320 horsepower, and perhaps more importantly, an instantaneous wall of torque that will make this CX-5 shockingly quick off the line. Imagine an electric-only range of over 40 miles for your daily commute, combined with sports car levels of acceleration when you need it. For those not ready for a plug, a new range of highly advanced mild hybrid engines will also be available, utilizing a 48-volt system to improve efficiency and smooth out stop-start operations, while providing a subtle performance boost. And yes, for the purists, rumors persist of an inline-6 option in certain markets, though the electrified inline-4 will be the volume leader globally. Regardless of the engine, Mazda has obsessed over power delivery, ensuring it's linear, responsive, and engaging, paired with an improved version of their excellent iActive all-wheel drive system. Driving dynamics have always been Mazda's ace in the hole, and the 2026 CX-5 pushes that advantage even further. This new platform is considerably stiffer, providing a better foundation for the suspension. Mazda engineers have worked magic here, using advanced materials and a refined multi-link rear setup to achieve a ride quality that is simultaneously composed and comfortable, yet incredibly eager to change direction. New, frequency-dependent dampers adjust their damping force based on road conditions, soaking up imperfections while tightening up for sharp handling. The steering has been completely recalibrated for even greater precision and feedback, giving you a level of connection to the road that is simply missing from its competition. It's an SUV that shrinks around you, encouraging spirited driving in a way no other compact utility vehicle can match. Of course, safety and practicality haven't been forgotten. The 2026 CX-5 will debut Mazda's next-generation iActive safety suite, featuring incredibly sophisticated driver assistance systems. We're talking about advanced lane centering that feels natural, evasive steering assist, and an adaptive cruise control system that can automatically adjust speed based on navigational data. The vehicle structure itself has been reinforced for even better crash protection, utilizing ultra-high tensile steel in critical areas. And look at the versatility. The rear tailgate opens to reveal a cavernous, perfectly flat load floor, maximizing usable space for all your gear. So, here's the reality check. The compact SUV segment is a brutal battlefield. The incumbents are entrenched, and they are excellent. But Mazda hasn't just shown up, they have fundamentally shifted the paradigm. With the 2026 CX-5, Mazda isn't asking you to choose between value and luxury. They are proving you can have both. This vehicle delivers performance, design, and a luxury experience that punches far above its weight class. It's not just a review of a new car, it's a testament to what is possible when a manufacturer refuses to compromise. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 isn't just leading the pack, it's redefining the entire journey.